Electric motors. Any electric appliances that run with the help of motors are an example of electrical energy to kinetic energy. Electric charges travel through the circuits when supplied with power. Will transform the electrical potential energy into kinetic energy that helps move the appliances designed to perform. Electric fan. The electric fan, when turned off, stays stationary. When current is supplied, the flow charges start to flow, making the electrical potential energy convert into kinetic energy that helps the fan create the movement. The kinetic energy once again gets converted into another form that helps in the rotational movement of the fan. Electric mixer. An electric mixer is a handy appliance in preparing food. Even it is an example of electrical to kinetic energy. It works on the principle of the motor. The motor is supplied with kinetic energy that helps rotational movement. This kinetic energy is transformed into electrical energy. Therefore, it is a primary example of electrical to kinetic energy. Electric grinder. Even an electric grinder is also a handy electric appliance in grinding food items. It works on the principle of the motor. The motor is supplied with a kinetic energy that helps rotational movement, allowing the rotors present in the grinder to perform the task. This kinetic energy is transformed into electrical energy. It is a primary example of electrical to kinetic energy. Piezo electricity. When we pass electricity to the crystals with chemical substances such as lead zirconate titanate, they undergo compression for a moment when there is a significant influence of electricity. This property of piezo electricity is used to affect vibration. All these changes occur due to the conversion of electrical energy to kinetic energy. Electric car. Even the electric car is a modern-day invention, also an example of electrical energy to kinetic energy. In an electric vehicle, the movement of electric charges gets converted into kinetic energy, and it again gets transformed into some other form to move to the car. Electric escalator. The escalator that we observe in offices, malls or shopping complexes runs with the help of electricity. The escalator consists of a motor that helps in the movement of gears connected to the elevator. When electrical charges move, it gets converted into kinetic energy and allows the bags to rotate the motors. Electric elevator. The elevator that we see in the malls or the shopping complexes runs with the help of electricity. Like the escalator, even the elevator consists of a motor that helps in the movement of gears connected to the elevator. When electrical charges move, it gets converted into kinetic energy and allows the bags to rotate the motors. Ropeway run through electricity. The ropeways that we see in many tourist places as adventure works through electricity. Even here, the flow of electric charges gets converted into kinetic energy that helps in the movement of the ropeway. Electric crane. The electric cranes that help lift heavy objects work automatically with the help of the conversion of electrical to kinetic energy. Even here, the flow of electric charges gets converted into kinetic energy that helps in the movement of the electric crane. Electric train. Electric trains are one of the best inventions of the modern age. They are developed with a design that helps convert electrical energy to kinetic energy. The functioning mechanism includes the transport of charges into kinetic energy to provide the motion to the train. Electric metro. The electric metro is one of the best transport systems of the modern age. They are developed with a design that helps convert electrical energy to kinetic energy. The functioning mechanism includes the transport of charges into kinetic energy to provide the motion to the train. The metros are the very needful transport system used in metropolitan cities. Electric bell. An electric bell consists of electromagnets. The armature present in the electric bell helps create a mechanism called to make and break motion, producing sound. This sound is produced due to the conversion of electrical to kinetic energy and then to sound energy. The transformation of these energies occurs intermediately before the sound point. Electric buzzer. An electric buzzer works similarly to an electric bell. It consists of the electromagnets that help create a mechanism called to make and break motion. The armature present in the electric buzzer helps in producing sound. This sound is produced due to the conversion of electrical to kinetic energy and then to sound energy. The transformation of these energies occurs intermediately before the sound point. Electromagnets. The electromagnets can also be considered an example of electrical to kinetic energy here. The attraction and repulsion mechanism helps the appliances to conduct the flow of charges. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). What is the primary need for electrical energy? Without electricity, it will be challenging to lead a life in the present era. Electrical energy has become an essential aspect of human life that makes things work efficiently. The appliances that use electrical energy such as computers, laptops, television, air conditioner, iron box, fridges have become an essential component of our lives. What are the critical factors that electrical energy depends on? Electrical energy is, in general, defined as the kind of kinetic energy that takes place due to the flowing of charges. The factors influencing electrical energy are: speed of the electric charges, movement of the electric charges, the direction of the flow of electric charges. What are the significant facts about electrical energy? The essential facts about electrical energy in the modern era are as given below. The movement of charges is similar to the speed of light. Just a spark of electrical energy can be measured up to 3000 V. The lighting during storms also provides electricity. Can measure it up to 3 million volts. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.